Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson. We're back at it with another nostalgic snack from my childhood, and today we're gonna be making some homemade Oreos. For this recipe we need powdered sugar, Dutch processed cocoa powder, baking soda, sugar, unsalted butter and salted butter, vanilla extract, salt, and eggs. First, we're going to focus on the wet ingredients. So in a bowl, mix together 2/3 of a cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 egg. Now the dry ingredients. Add in 1 2/3 cups of AP flour, half cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Then mix just until a soft dough forms. Alright, get yourself a cutting board, put parchment paper over it, then put a touch of flour over the parchment paper and roll out the dough and cut it into circles using any circle you have. I'm using a spice lid since I don't have any cookie cutters that are circles. Once your cookies are shaped into circles, get a tray with parchment paper at the bottom, place them on a lined tray with space in between, then let them chill in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. And once 15 minutes have passed, place your cookies in a 375-degree oven for 10 minutes, then let them cool room temp for a good hour on a cooling rack. Alright, let's focus on the filling. Get a bowl and mix together a 1/3 cup of softened salted butter, a cup of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract. When it comes to making Oreos, you only need 6 to 7 ingredients, not 100. But once the cookies are nice and cool, and once the filling is done, get one side of the cookie, spread a little spoonful of the filling, then add the other side of the cookie, and what can I say? I finally made Oreos from scratch. Alright guys, the Oreos are done. I'm gonna try it and I won't cap. I already feel like that these are gonna be really good. I'm just saying. Let's see. All I gotta say right now is that these look nothing like Oreos. But alright, here goes nothing. Dang. This just tastes like a regular cookie. Not a bad way or anything. I'm telling you right now, these taste 10 times better than regular Oreos. I can really taste the cream. I can really taste the vanilla in here that they have, especially because I use pure vanilla extract. And the other thing is the cookie, it tastes like a brownie. Okay. The one thing I gotta do now is, I've done this all throughout my childhood, ever since I got in Oreos. Milk, cookie, dunk. I'm in dessert heaven now. Yeah. As a kid, I don't know what I was thinking. This whole time, I should have just made these from scratch. That's all I gotta tell you guys. And the fact that Oreos were my favorite childhood snack growing up, or I would say favorite, but one of my favorite childhood snacks growing up, I can't believe that I used to be addicted to those. I remember every single day after school, I just went to the pantry, got some Oreos, and I would just eat them non-stop. I'm not even kidding. You know, whenever you're eating Oreos, it's not even real cream. Unlike here, this is real cream. Yeah, in the store-bought Oreos, it's really just I don't know, petroleum, high fructose corn syrup, and what's it called? The cream that's in the middle, it's really just a paste. That's all it is. Yeah. And to be honest with you, eating these really makes me never want to eat the store-bought Oreos ever again. I can't get over this. Yeah. And even though these look nothing like Oreos, or people would never guess that these are Oreos, these are just so much better. I need more. But also, in the comments, let me know what you think about homemade Oreos, and let me know what other snacks you really want me to make from your childhood. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!